And Kentucky Dane in front, leads from Marple Miss. They're a couple in front of Hearns Oak. Manoeuvring's got plenty of room on the inside. He steered off the fence, or the jockey has on the leader. And Dupum is running on down the outside. Marple Miss in front with Hearns Oak starting to issue a challenge. Manoeuvring getting up on the fence. Dupum and Country Warrior followed by Fig Tree. Still Marple Miss the leader with 100 to go. It's about a length in front. It's finding plenty, and Marple Miss will do it again and go down to win it. Manoeuvring will get second, Dupum third. Photo for fourth, Hearns Oak or Lady McCann, and then Precia, Fig Tree, Country Warrior last in Kentucky Dane. Coming out about 3 and 4 deep to commence his run as they turn for home. The leader, Black Jag from Oriental Lady. Centre Pivot's running on strongly down the outside. He gets to third now. Corabiti one off the fences looking for a run. Black Jag still in front. Favourites about to loom on the outside. Centre Pivot, he ranged up now and took the lead. Then Corabiti followed by Oriental Lady. But Centre Pivot gets the upper hand from Black Jag, who's trying to fight back, but Centre Pivot comfortable at the finish, wins by a half on Black Jag. Third's a Photo, Corabiti or Ghost Protocol, who did dive right on the post, so there's not a lot in that. Then Single Oriental Lady, Paderos and Secessio finished last of all. Who's over on the rail, it's had a pretty good run. Then Agent Bow, who went up but is starting to drop off again as they turn for home. Into the straight, Bretan in front with Pajaro looming on the outside. A room now for Adorable to come out. Cleansing Ale's gone, and then further back behind them, Chestnut Road. It's Pajaro in front with Adorable, the big threat, and it went straight past this one on the inside, and Chestnut Road is running on late, but Adorable is in front with about 50 to go, and Adorable's won it from Chestnut Road Montero, and the favourite found nothing, Pajaro, followed by Cleansing Ale, and then in behind them next, Bretan, Frozen Rope and Agent Bauer. Odyssey Moon peeling out to the outside to start to run on, then Lady Sniper, a gap Lady Shivago, and Ideal Express is down the outside, but Serenade zipped away. 300 to go at length, and can it keep going? Lady Shivago and Odyssey Moon are starting to close now, and then Ideal Express. Serenade starting to feel the pinch now, and Lady Shivago rushed up on the outside and hit the front, and Lady Shivago kicked away, and it'll go down to win it. Second will be maybe Ideal Express on the outside from Serenade. It just hit the wall with about 200 to go. Then Odyssey Moon, followed by, in behind them, Darts Away. Then a gap to Russian Ruby, followed a long gap to Minaret, Hymnane Jim, followed by Prince Rude, Lady Sniper, and Dan Shari finished at the back of the field. 2 or 3 to Bold Circle, and Diamond Valores is a long way back as they turn for home. Delectation just led from ins and outs. Plenty of room for Harrier Jet. Scissor Kickers running on, and Kermadec down the outside, but Delectation exploded away. He put a couple of lengths on. Scissor Kickers running on, and then Kermadec, and followed by Harrier Jet. Delectation in front, he's starting to duck in. Scissor Kick's having a real dig at him now. Scissor Kick ranged up and took the lead, and Scissor Kick beat Delectation, who hit the brick wall 100 out. Followed by, back in third spot, Harrier Jet, and then came in behind them Kermadec, followed by Diamond Valores, Bold Circle, last in, ins and out. Catkin stalks him in third, about a length and a half away from Plucky Bell, and then Marianne, followed by Mahiri, and Nina Rocks trying for a run in the centre. So Role Model led with Lily Bolero, and Catkins looming up on the outside, followed by Plucky Bell. Nina Rocks made up some ground down near the inside, and then Mahiri, but Catkins ranged up to Lily Bolero, and they'll fight it out by the looks of it. Catkins and Lily Bolero. Catkins on the outside. Lily Bolero won't go away though. Catkins has just got a head in front. Lily Bolero kicked, and there's nothing in it right on the post. Catkins or Lily Bolero in a real head-bobbing finish. Mahiri's run third. Then Nina Rock, followed by Just a Blur, Plucky Bell, Role Model, Marianne, and Arenosa's last in. Is picking up some ground, followed by, in behind them, Big Bonanza, and then Tails of Grim. Woodbine is coming down the outside. He's feeling for the whip on it as they draw to the 300, and Tahitian Black is out after the leader, which is nothing like Luca, who put its head in front. Woodbine and Tails of Grim are starting to warm up as well. Tahitian Black hit the front. Here's Tails of Grim and Woodbine and Ernest. Ernest is getting up on the rail. Tails of Grim moved up and hit the lead and won it. Tails of Grim has got there, overcame a slow start and wins it from Tahitian Black and Ernest, followed by Nothing Like Luca and Woodbine. Then Just a Bullet, followed by Foreign Prince, Big Bonanza, Casual Choice, and last in was Lucky Sound. Coming into the straight, the leader Spacecraft led a length and a half. Mighty Lucky. Burbrow's coming down the outside. Diametric looking for a run closer to the fence, and then a couple of lengths to You'll Never. It's Spacecraft still in front. Burbrow starting to motor out after it. Mighty Lucky kicking on strongly in the centre, but it's Burbrow on the outside. He looks to have taken a slight lead. Mighty Lucky is fighting back. Burbrow just in front from Mighty Lucky, and Burbrow beat Mighty Lucky. Spacecraft will get third in front of You'll Never, and then came Diametric, Less is More, followed by Timeless Prince, Grand Marshal, Our Voodoo Prince, Scream Machine, Honorius, Tupac Amaru, and Wasn't finished tailed off.